I myself am wandering. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope everybody is doing amazing. Thanks so much for always coming to watch my videos. In case you are new here, I myself am wandering. You may find you have been watching my videos, you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. The only way how you can help me, the only way how you can keep supporting me, the only way how you can make me happy, what you have to do, just do me a favor, like this video, share this video, and subscribe, be a part of our family. You may find it's your first time here or you have been watching my videos. And what you have to do, like, share, and subscribe. We are approaching evening, so already 5 p.m. here in the northern province of Rwanda, Musanze district, Musanze city. I have decided to take you around to explore this amazing city. I don't want to go alone, I need someone to escort me. So before we continue doing other things, what you have to do, just like, share, and subscribe. Clean, somehow nice. As you can see, I'm just passing right now, currently explore this amazing city, explore all corners here in Musanze district, Musanze city. So explore this amazing city. This is Musanze. As you are entering in the city, you start seeing big buildings and somehow tall. When you talk about Rwanda, what comes to their minds? It's Kigali. But things are not like that. You're gonna change your mind when you visit Rwanda. But that one's not a problem. I'm here to take you around the city to experience different culture, different environment. This is Rwanda, Musanze city. Welcome. The truth is, Musanze is somehow developed when you compare to other cities here in Rwanda. The fastest growing city here in Rwanda. That's the reason why people are investing in this city. Let's explore and find out why. From Kigali to Musanze, it's almost 90 kilometers from the city center. That's approximately between 2 hours and 3 hours. Welcome to Musanze, vibrant city and wealthy people here in the city. Growing tourism city here in Rwanda.